Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name's Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. Licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. So today I'm out here in the city of Henderson. In this master plan community called Inspirada. This is actually a phase 1. As you can see, we have a bunch of tennis courts here, parks here. What else we got? We've got a school right over here too as well. Now phase 2 is a little bit elevated, a little bit higher. They are building like crazy out here, but today we're gonna do something a little bit different. This home that we are gonna be touring today, I don't have the full stats on it. Just look at the description of the video, or the description, or actually the title of the video as well. But today this home is actually under contract by the time that this property has been released on video. This was viewed for a client that we have out of state, that they are looking to purchase this home. Now, one of the services that we do provide to you as well is that if you are a buyer out of state, we do video home tours just like this, and FaceTime as well. So that's part of our service. So this is a home by, I believe this is actually a KB Homes. The garage is out in the back, which is kind of cool. The lifestyle out here is basically Inspirada wants you to come outside. This is more like a family neighborhood, I feel like. And as far as for rentals, these are really great for rentals. I mean, location is definitely on point. All right, guys, let's go inside because it is hot. It's about 115 degrees today. Okay, first thing I've noticed as soon as I come in, I can still feel how fresh and new this home smells. You know, like a new car smell. That's what this thing smells like. So we have 8-foot ceilings. Looks like you have some 4-can lighting, pre-wire for the ceiling fan. Looks like your TV is going to go right here. The carpet, brand new. Okay. Definitely, we need to paint. Okay. There are some scuff marks here and there. Looks like this property was rented at one point. So washer, dryer on the first floor. We have laminate flooring here. Coat closet, and let's take a look at the half bath. Again, we got laminate flooring. Toilet needs to be cleaned. Pedestal, sink. Let's take a look at the light there. Got the blinds, okay. Got a couple holes in the walls here, but not that big of a deal. I would probably repaint this. Definitely needs to be painted. So the kitchen here, we have a pretty large kitchen island. As you can see, there's a bunch of scuff marks here. We do have the laminate flooring again. Cabinets are in good condition. You got the Whirlpool package appliances on this one. Definitely got some stain in here. That's for sure. Now this home doesn't really have too many upgrades. It's pretty much all like standard. This definitely gives you the rental feel. But as far as like the location, this is definitely on point. Let's take a look at your walk-in pantry here. Got the 6-panel door. We have some granite here. This is a bullnose 1-inch. Take a look at the granite. There you go. 36 inches on the cabinet. The backsplash here is going to be 6 inches. You got the standard side glides here. Then we have a 5 burner. Got gas and the microwave. This one does not exhaust out, I think. Oh, it does. Nice. Then we have your USB-C or a USB. What kind of refrigerator is Samsung refrigerator? Okay. Let's take a look inside here. Kind of reminds me of my refrigerator. Here's the two-car garage. So two-car garage, hot water heater. You got the soft water. Looks like a purification system. So this is where you're gonna pull up through the back here. Then we also have a side yard here. I'll take you guys to the side yard. See what it looks like on this side. So this is the neighbor's yard here. You got some additional storage. See if this goes all the way under and around. Oh, nope. It just goes right there. Alright, let's make our way upstairs, but I guess before we do that, let's take a look at this. Alright, so this is kind of like your side yard here. I guess the good news is that you got shade cover in it. You don't really need a covered patio. House is facing north. We have a thermostat here, so this is probably a dual zone. That's not the main thermostat. How do you tell if this is actually a main thermostat? Basically, you would have the return line here. So that's the secondary. So there should be another thermostat right here. Oh, there it is. Wow, they put the thermostat right here. Interesting. Normally, it's right near the return line. Let's take a look at this bathroom here. Again, we do have laminate flooring. Change the mode on here. This is only 36 inches on the cabinet. Some is pretty much all stock and standard. Bedroom number 1. You got the pre-wire for the ceiling fan here. That shelf needs to come off. It's a walk-in closet. You've got paint, all this. You're gonna have to paint the whole house for sure. Here in Vegas, you should be able to get a painter for about about $1.50 to $2 a square foot, just depending on the painter. Also, you want to make sure, does that include the baseboards, the doors, and also the ceilings as well. As you can see, the attic access, it looks like it's been opened a few times because it's not cleaned. Here's bedroom number 2. This bedroom is from the front of the house here. Let's go take a look at the primary. It's a little bit dark here. I'm gonna open up the blinds a little bit. Let's get some lighting in here. There we go. Got more of a greenish color, but it looks like on camera it's kind of blue, but it's a little bit green. Got another feature wall here, it's a little bit gray. Very unique fan. Probably gonna have to get rid of that. Coming into the primary bath, got 2 sinks, Corian countertops. Yeah, it's all stock and standard here. All this is basically all rental grade. I mean, they did do a upgrade on this shower glass door here, that's for sure. Mowing fixtures. That's an aftermarket. Shower head. Here's your water closet. Nothing very special, but then we have our closet. What we got here? So this would be what, your little pantry area, closet area. Did I say pantry? It's not a pantry. Closet. It's too early in the morning right now, guys. Really is. Here's your light fixture. Alright, overall with this property, definitely needs paint, cleaning. Other than that, everything is pretty much good as far as what I see with this home. However, a lot of the cosmetics, the materials that you see are all going to be apartment grade level. Okay. However, this is made for a rental property. So if you guys are interested in something like this, please let us know. We can find you a property like this. Definitely love the location. And this will be able to be rented out fairly quickly. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Show the love, show the support by giving me a thumbs up. Other than that, thank you very much for your time. And have a blessed day, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.